Well, had a blower wheel spun its hub. This is on 59 SC5 120. So I don't know what's up with this transformer down here. Why are the transformers like that? Oh geez, this thing don't want to come out of here. Take the brackets off so I'm not trying to get around the brackets. Get the board off. Jeez, Pete's. Let's see what happened. Oh yeah, that's special. Holy crap. Huh, that's interesting. Look at that. It spun the shaft. Spun right off the shaft. Interesting. Of course, I don't have a wrench. Give me an idea. There's my adjustable. Let's see. Is this tight or loose? Oh, it's good and tight. Uh-oh. Boy, oh boy. I'm gonna have to get my puller. So I finally found my wheel puller. Let's see, how hard is it gonna be? Yeah, she's on there. She is on there. Well, not too terrible. Yeah. Should have brought a bigger wrench. I think I got it. Just had to get past the, had to get past the initial problem. Now, let's see. Yeah, that's special. I don't even know. Blower housing looks fine. Let me see up here. That also looks fine. Drop the new one in there. Get the side ones in first here, so it lines up. Right on. Chewed that blower shaft right up. I always cut myself doing blower wheels. Hate it. No, when he put it on there, he missed a set, because it was a newer blower wheel. Yeah, that is set on the flat spot. Alright, now I'm going to put it back together. Whoopee. Oh, she's a big girl. Oh, I got to get the board back on. Transformer in the right. Oh shit, what happened? Freaking thing busted off there. What the heck is going on with this? Strange crap. Strange. I don't know, I think this furnace is too big for this application. I don't know who installed it. Someone left me a bit. Huh. That's great. Sometimes shit is just a disaster. Okay, let me find a screw, and I gotta get the transformer tidied up. And then the wires plugged in. We'll go from there. Alright, so I'm in a dark hole here, no light. This disaster right here. Lowered the blower speed. I think we got a static issue. Ductwork screwed up. Should have not. This furnace should have never been installed in here. Whoever did it, I don't know who did it. But that's what static does to your blower wheels. It'll kill your blower wheels, as you can see. That's what static pressure does to your blower wheels. That's a 5-ton drive on no ductwork. It's going to be a consistent problem with that furnace, so I'm stuck with it somehow. I lowered the blower speed, try to get a little less static pressure out of it, but it's in a manufacturing plant. Whoever put it in there, I don't know who did. I don't think it was us, because I don't think we'd do anything dumb like that. But so, not really good lighting, not a really good video, but I'm gonna put it out there just so you guys can see, hey, blower wheels do explode. That blower wheel was only like a month old. I don't know if it was manufacturer defect, and I don't know what happened to the one before, because I'm not the normal tech that goes down to that one or takes care of that building. So we'll see what happens. Alright guys, like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.